Hey guys, what's up? Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxings of some photos. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, first of all we have a National Express and the Travel West Midlands, which is basically a National Express. Could be a Scania Omni City or a Scania Omni Link. Reg of the National Express is BX10 ACR. The reg of the Travel West Midland is, can't really see it, but oh well. So moving on, we have a OK Travel minibus. Reg is YUP702L. Yeah, pretty cool. Little minibus, quite old. Moving on, we have a Baker's Dolphin. Reg is WTN650H. Moving on, we have a Wilson Dorset HF09BJK, aka oh, I forgot his fleet number. Oh well, put the fleet number in the text, guys. So yeah, HF09BJK is Scania. And finally, out of this package, we have a minibus, and it's a Fiat. No, not Fiat. I have no idea what make it is. Reg is YX55FSA. Moving on to this package now. So, I've just done this package, I am a twit. Moving on to this package now. If you guys wonder what the time is, it's currently 3 AM. 3:32 to be exact. What I am making this video. Not all these packages, none of these packages come today, it's just because I haven't got around to unboxing them. Is that it? Yeah, that's it for that one. So here we have a Stagecoach London bus, Transbus ALX 400, in their old livery. Reg V142 MEV 71142, I think, is its fleet number, and yeah, that's the first image out of that package. Next image is another Stagecoach London bus. Oh god. The reg is X361 NNO, and it's a Transbus ALX 400 again. So moving on to the final package now, guys. Yeah, please. God damn it, I broke my nail again. Moving on to the final package, we have if I can get it out. Yeah, that's it. So the final package, we have a school bus by First, and reg is LK54FNH, fleet number 6853. No idea what make it is, so if you could tell me in the comments, or I'll look it up and put it in the text on the editor. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail now, guys. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.